This video is sponsored by Michaels. Hello, Playhouse Hunters.
Hello, is this Playhouse Hunters? This is Santa.
Santa Claus?
The Santa Claus?
Yes, this is Santa Claus. Yes, thank you.
Give me the phone. Let me talk to him. Hello, Santa?
Yes, this is Santa. I'd like to order a gingerbread house for my beautiful wife, Mrs. Claus.
Yeah, we can definitely do that.
Well, I'm trying to do something nice for her since she says that I don't do anything nice for her. And I'm definitely not going to go to couples therapy, that's for sure.
He's going to couples therapy.
Santa?
Yeah.
Couples therapy?
Yeah.
That's weird.
I don't even think the therapist likes me. I don't like her.
So why not like you? Do you not like yourself?
Yeah, no, that would be no problem at all. We'd be happy to do that.
Okay, great, awesome. I would ask my elf to help me, but he is obviously too busy.
And have you seen this TikTok I sent you? It's hilarious. You should watch this.
Not a problem at all.
We can get it to you whenever you need. Thank you so much, Santa.
Beautiful.
Okay, bye. We're working with Santa.
We're working with Santa?
We're working with Santa!
We're working with Santa!
We're going to be transforming our last Playhouse. If you haven't seen all the Playhouse videos, I'll link them below. But before...
It's time to go to Michael's to start crafting.
So before we start this Playhouse, we're taking our lead designer, Aria, to go get some craft supplies at Michael's so that she can start designing our Playhouse. Michael's offers arts and craft supplies to inspire any mini maker, like our Aria. They offer an exclusive Creatology brand made especially for kids. And these assortments of crafts allow kids to bring their ideas to life, like this holiday gingerbread house that we'll be putting together for Santa. Shop any of these Michael's products by clicking the link in my description.
I'm making a mini version of Santa's gingerbread house and little gingerbread man. I also got glitter because I like glitter. I like glitter a lot, which is 2,000. I hope Santa likes what I make for him.
So on top of getting Aria all of the things she needs to be inspired, like the gingerbread man and gingerbread house, along with other Creatology crafts, we also bought supplies at Michael's for the gingerbread house itself. So it's time to go home, get crafting, and get inspired.
Hi guys, today we're gonna do this, so we're gonna open this.
You gotta tell them what that is.
Well, this is got a gingerbread man, and this is a sweater.
And what about that?
And this is the gingerbread house, and gingerbread man.
And all of these things?
All the stuff that we were gonna do.
Okay.
And let's get opening.
Now that we're feeling inspired, it's time to work on the actual house. And if you haven't seen our old Playhouse videos, I will leave the playlist at the end of this one, but this one we left blank in the back to create something new. We are sanding off a lot of the paint that has chipped on the roof. In the original makeover, I did one too many coats of spray paint, and since most of the spray paints that I use already have a primer in them, I don't like using the primer, but everyone suggested it for the very first Playhouse and I tried it. Don't love it. So for this one, we're just going straight in with that warm caramel color, and I really think we could have gone a little bit lighter. I went and got a sheet of very, very thin wood and had it cut down to the dimensions of the house, just the inside though. So I only want a panel for the front and for the side. This is just a picture prop. You can remove it when you want, but this house is going to be used as an indoor prop. So a lot of the things that I am doing to this house are meant for indoor use.
I just finished spray painting the Playhouse. I really hope Santa likes it. I've been good all year. Please, Santa, get me the item that's on the top of my list.
We're gonna move on for now, and I'm gonna work on the roof. I took popcorn ceiling spray paint. Again, this is for indoor use because this is water-based. If you want the same effect, you can just grab some outdoor paint and sponge it on to look like powdered sugar. I ended up doing that anyway. You can also use expanding foam if you want more of a 3D effect. And now I use some plaster patch. You can get this at any hardware store, and they do make an exterior kind, which is the kind that I'm using right now. So if you do plan on keeping this outside, make sure that it says exterior. You can also use some expanding foam if you want more of a 3D effect. I really wanted this to look like powdered sugar, so I'm really just dabbing it on to the ends, and then I'm taking my plaster patch and outlining anywhere that I want it to look like it was piped on icing. Things have been going really well here at the Playhouse Hunters. We of course had to expand and bring on Aria, which you guys have already met.
And we also have Leah now, and I'm showing her the ropes.
Leah's in training right now, so she won't be building anything on this playhouse. But let me tell you, we are so excited to work with Santa.
Extremely excited.
By the way, you're gonna be able to hear my bulldog snoring throughout this whole voiceover, so sorry about that. We're moving on to the wood panels, and Aria is painting that for me. I am letting her do really, really thick coats because I am going to be making this look like sugar, basically. So now that this is nice and wet, I am grabbing that snow that we got at Michael's and pouring it all over and then just patting that in. For some more added detail, we took those foam balls that we got from Michael's and gave them a really light coat of paint to make them look like gumdrops.
Wow, this is great. Chris, check this out. Oh no.
Sleigh bells ringing, garments blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
For the final touches of the house, I am going to create little icing swoops using my Glowforge. Because the house was never taken apart, it would be hard to pipe on any type of design, so this was perfect. I added some platinum patch to the top to give it more of an icing effect, and if you have any questions on the Glowforge, I will answer them in the comments. We created some cotton candy trees by pulling apart yarn and using one of the styrofoam tree form things and wrapping it around, and at the end we took one of the little gingerbread peeps from Michael's and added it to the top. I also took another gingerbread person from Michael's and put it on a live wreath as well as other ornaments. I added a little popsicle to her hand because I'm going for a sweet shop look. And now it's time to add all of these details of the house and for the final reveal.
Chris!
Worst job ever.
Santa, are you ready to get your gingerbread house?
I really think we did a good job. Mrs. Claus is gonna love it, and I really hope Santa likes it because Santa, if you like it, I put this one item on my list. Everything else doesn't matter, but that one item.
I did a great job. I hope Santa likes it. I hope I get my dream house.
I really think we did a fantastic job on this. I think it really turned out great. Right, Santa?
Wow, guys, that's an incredible job you guys did. I love it, and Miss Claus is definitely gonna love it. Wow, what an amazing house that was. If you guys want to see more houses made by the Playhouse Hunters, click here.
And a big thank you to Michaels for sponsoring the video. Subscribe below, because that's how I get paid. And make sure you like and comment.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
I wonder if Santa ever went to couples therapy.
Okay, Santa, let's start from the beginning. Why don't you start by telling me about your childhood?